Thank you, sir.
Wristband?
I'm sorry?
Your wristband? Right on.
Yep. Just kind of fall on in.
What's that?
Just kind of fall on in. That's what you do with these things.
You ever been in a Lotus Elise?
This is the seat control here. You need that. That's back all the way, and then I think there's some lumbar support here. No, I've never been in a Lotus. No.
Yeah, that's a really interesting car to get in and out of.
And if you want to, there's a cinch button at the bottom of the seatbelt retractor. I'm sorry, at the top of the seatbelt retractor. So when you hit the cinch, right, it'll only cinch down.
Okay.
So that's kind of handy. It's almost like having a harness, kind of. So we're going to pull out here.
Yeah.
Follow that car.
Yep. Yeah, they'll wave you out kind of one at a time.
Okay.
And down along the back stretch, there's a sound meter.
Okay.
So when you go past that, you just want to make sure that you're like fully on the gas.
Uh-huh.
Probably not going to matter much with this thing 'cause it's quiet, but we'll do it just for
grins and giggles.
Just to be official.
Make it official. Yeah, I'm not a big fan of really loud cars. I like a good rumble, but not ear splitting.
Right.
But my wife, she won't have it. And this car here, if you change the mufflers out and if you're not careful, it will drone.
Oh, right.
Like nobody's business.
Yeah.
I had an exhaust leak. I caught the exhaust on a gate flange, shortly after we got it, and there was a hole in that pipe, and oh man, the drone was not nice.
Yeah.
The GM engineers knew what they were doing when it came to the mufflers on this thing.
Yeah.
And there's the C8 up ahead of us, the 4 generations beyond this one.
Yeah.
This one's right in the middle. That HPD4, that must be something else, huh? Is that what you drive in?
So HPD4 will be the first group out, so they don't really have a sign for sound test.
Okay.
But that's the advanced. Like you'll be starting in 1, and then as you graduate, you'll go up to 2, and then 3, and then eventually 4.
Does 4 get all kinds of crazy?
It can, yeah. Yeah. And oftentimes guys out there with
Proceed.
full-on race cars, yeah, you can pull up behind them.
Morning.
Morning. All right, you got the instructor.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
He's gonna tell you what to do
Yes, sir.
in the right place.
So are they have the cut through out at
Yep.
like turn 8?
Cut
Okay.
through, yep. Same
Perfect.
same setup. Good luck.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thanks. All right, go for it.
Proceed.
Yep.
This way.
Yep. Just follow this around.
Okay. Hands at the 10 and 2 position at all times.
Wherever they need to be. This will wrap around, and where those cones are is basically where you're joining the racetrack.
Okay, right here.
Yep. Okay, so you can pick up the pace a little bit.
Okay.
Go ahead, and it's going to off to the right, and then back to the left. And now you pretty much want to get on the gas. Stay in between those yellow cones. On the gas, on the gas, on the gas. Alright, hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. Stay in between those yellow cones. On the gas, on the gas, on the gas. Alright, hey, slow down, slow down, slow down. That should do it.
Woo!
And we're just going to head on down to the end down here where the tow truck is.
Okay.
And there will be a cutoff kind of to your right at the end of this straightaway. And you can just kind of exit the track.
Okay. Right.
Okay, so slow it down a little bit. And then you're just kind of going to go to the left, stay to the right of the tow truck.
Okay. And then exit this way.
Yeah. Just follow the cones. Back to the right. And then stop up here and they'll give you a sticker.
Another sticker. Yay.
Open your door for me. Thank you.
Yep.
You're good.
Thank
Have
you.
fun.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right. Now you may go park back where you were.
All right, very good. I think I was down.
Yeah, I think you were down
Down
there
this
too.
way, yeah.
That's my old race car right there.
Which
that
one?
166.
Really? Those little Miatas, those are fun.
They are fun. Yeah.
And they, they used to be so. That one is like one of the sexy ones. Then they kind of messed them up. I think they weren't like sexy like they used to be.
Yeah. Right here next to the 350.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you, Mike. Thank you.
Absolutely. That was easy.
That was easy.
So then